Buyers, are you interested in purchasing a brand new home? If so, having a real estate agent to help you to navigate through the process can make all the difference to you. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area serving the buyers and sellers. Buying a new construction home can be an exciting experience. From being the very first owner to the excitement of customizing your features, there are a lot of benefits, but it can be an overwhelming process as well. This is where the value of having a highly skilled real estate broker or an agent to help you to navigate the process comes into play. According to the mortgage reports, your real estate agent will be the key to helping you to navigate this process, as they will guide you through construction and anticipate, providing solutions to any possible snags along the way. Although you will be working with a builder, an experienced agent has the expertise to evaluate the construction quality and reputation of different builders. You will also have qualified insights into understanding builder contracts and negotiations. So, if you are in the market to buy, don't wait. Reach out to my team and me so that we can help you to turn your vision of owning a new home into a reality. Once again, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.